Good morning. Hi. This is Travis from National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Saturday, August 29th. We are looking for overall dry conditions today. A nice day, but we are seeing a little bit of isolated showers and thunderstorms this morning, mainly for the eastern Magic Valley, southern Stink Plain, and looking for that to continue mainly of our southern eastern areas this morning, and then transition to more dry as we go throughout the day. They're going to be very light showers and thunderstorms, not very isolated. Slightly reduced air quality will continue today. They'll likely be the last day. We just see some haze across the area, and I'll show you that here in a second. And then there are significant weather pattern changes occurring today, ahead of a strong cold front that's moved through Sunday, and then into Monday. It will bring some really cold temperatures by Monday, a good 10, if not 15 degrees below normal. Today, we're seeing that strong to moderate winds, and we'll combine with low RH, particularly for our northern areas where we have a red flag out, and then we're looking for that to transition more to the southern areas on Sunday as that front moves through with strong winds and low RH where we have red flags out for our southern areas. We will transition then to more of dry conditions with gradual warming, where we become around 10 degrees above normal by next Saturday. Here's that system up here in our northern areas over southern Canada. That's just going to drop down over our area. Be very little precip, maybe just scrape our Island Park area for Sunday, but the main impact is going to be winds. And so as a result, combined with low RH, we'll have those red flag warnings out for. You can see here we have them out for 475, 476 for today, and combined with low RH, and then those transition to our southern areas. This should say red flag warning here. So these transition to our southern areas by Sunday, again for gusty winds and low RH. And this right here shows the red flag warnings. This is for today. These up here and these down here are for tomorrow. Our air quality, this is yesterday's image. You can see we're still kind of getting a southwest flow, bringing some smoke into our area, just very light smoke. As we become a more northerly flow by Monday, that should move out of our area. So we do have a degraded quality over us now, but slightly, and that should clear up completely by Monday. Again, this is yesterday's image that moved into us. And then our temperatures today will be very similar to what we saw yesterday. Still a good 4 to 8 degrees above normal. Going to be very dry, well below 15% for most of our areas. We do have the gusty winds in RH, particularly up here. The timing is such that we do have a red flag warning out for the gusty winds and low RH, and we are still going to see breezy winds in our other areas as well, particularly really late. Not looking for lake wind at this point, but it will by the late afternoon or early evening. We'll see some light chop on our lakes, particularly American Falls Reservoir, so be careful. High temperatures on Sunday drop. You see good 5 degrees, if not 4 to 8 degrees below normal. And then Sunday, you see our RHs are still quite low, but they rise a little bit. And you see with the gusty winds here, we are looking for red flags for, again, all these areas here. 425, 427, 413, and 410. Not looking at a wind advisory at this point overall, but it will be close. We'll reevaluate that. Definitely, if not a wind advisory, lake wind advisory for American Falls Reservoir, and for some dangerous chop. So be aware of that. And here's your Sunday afternoon winds. That was in the morning, and here's the afternoon. And then those will actually taper off pretty quickly by late afternoon into early evening. And then here's our high temperatures for Monday. You can see 60s for some of the Snake River Plain areas. Again, that's a good 15 degrees below normal, 10 to 15 in there. And then here's our RH. Increased quite nicely. We are looking at, again, precip isolated to scattered, more scattered up in the central mountains where you may get up to a 10th. And then it'll transition to our southern areas where we might get 100. So it could get a couple hundreds in between, particularly in the mountain areas. So again, here's those. The 10th is way up here and in the Island Park area, and the hundreds elsewhere. And then MinRH again increases nicely on Monday here. And then you are looking for breezy conditions, particularly in our southern areas, and you can see that northerly winds come across, and these will be more westerly on Monday. And then our temperatures Tuesday increase a little bit, but we're still 4 to 8, if not 5 to 10 degrees below normal. And then our H's do decrease as we dry out. And then Wednesday, we just gradually warming, getting back to normal, if not slightly above normal. And then our H's are just slowly dropping through the week. Here's your Thursday temperatures above normal, and then we have critical. Our H's lost the area on Thursday, and then Friday, here's your temperatures. Could be hitting 90 by Friday, but if not, for sure on Saturday. And look at the RHs there, even stronger. A lot more areas below 15% are critical. Just a quick summary. Today we're looking for overall nice conditions, although we are going to see a few isolated showers and thunderstorms, particularly early on in our southern and eastern areas. Slightly reduced air quality, still likely the last day as we have that significant weather change with a strong cold front going through today through Monday. And then you can see we do have red flags out for our northern areas today for strong winds, low RH, and then our southern areas Sunday for gusty winds in RH. And then our temperatures are dropping 10 to 15 degrees below normal, and then gradually warming up, and then drying out Tuesday through Saturday with temperatures at least 10 degrees above normal by next Saturday. That concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call at this number. Thanks.